So what's up guys? So if you are looking to create something like this or something like this using ChatGPT, then this video is for you. So let's dive in. Firstly, what you want to do is to head to your app store or you are using the iPhone, you just head to where you can download the app. So here you just search for ChatGPT. ChatGPT. So I'm going to download it. So mine is already downloaded. So if you want to download it, you're just going to click on where it says install and install it. It's going to show you something like this and just install it. So I'm going to head over it and it's asking me to update mine. I don't want to update mine. So it's going to take you right here. So on here they have different version too. So this is if you want to get the plus version, which is the pro version. So on the pro version, things that you can use on the pro version are basic move models, smart model, more messages and upload, more image creation, etc. So these features, when you upgrade to these features, it will allow you to do certain things that isn't done on the free version. So if you want to get this, you can just click on where it says upgrade to plus. So it's going to ask you to add your card and you're going to fill in your details with your card. So for now we're using the free version. So if you want to create something like this or something like I said, all you have to do is to come here and ask ChatGPT to create something for you. So let me just ask him, what are you? So he's going to tell me is ChatGPT, is GPT-5 AI language model created by OpenAI. I can understand text, generate response, help you with writing, design, research, coding, explanations, and even work with images. This simply means that it can do a lot of things. So let's just dive in on how to create something unique. Let's just think on. Okay, I'm actually going to tell him to ask him to create something like this. Okay, create a realistic picture of Cristiano, Cristiano, Cristiano Ronaldo and Lion, something like this. I'm just pressing. He actually told me that a lot of people are quitting design. This means that I'm not, I won't be getting the design now, so I have to wait for some few like 5 to 7 minutes before getting the design. So we just have to wait. So So that is actually to create a how to use ChatGPT in creating a realistic image. Now you can see that the image I created look just realistic, just like Ronaldo and Messi coming together in the beach. So here is another feature I'm going to show you. So this feature is a way that you can actually communicate with the AI you want, either a male voice or a female voice. So I'm going to show you how to do this on ChatGPT, where you can actually talk directly to the AI for personal assistance, something like maybe you have a financial issue and you want him to explain it more better or some problem. So you can actually use this. So I'm going to show you on this video. So stick with me. Let's go. So on this version, all you have to click on is to click on this left button right here. Left button on the corner right here. It's going to take you to the place. So it's going to take you some seconds before it actually loaded. So I'm just waiting. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you perfectly fine. If you have any questions or need anything, just let me know.
So what's the meaning of YouTube?
The name YouTube is essentially a combination of you, meaning the individual user, and tube, which is a slang term for television. So YouTube basically means your television, emphasizing the idea of a platform where users can upload and share their own videos.
So you can see everything we said is still waiting right here. So we can come back and reverse it to understand more better. So you can see here's the video. Here's the picture. So I'm loading it. So you can see that it's giving me a realistic picture of Messi and Ronaldo standing beside each other, which have this event haven't happened in the history of football. So you can see that this ChatGPT is really a good software when it comes to using it. So this is actually how you can use ChatGPT. You can also use it for assignment. Maybe answering some few questions. Okay, let me ask him if he can actually answer my assignment. Okay. See, of course, I can definitely help you with your homework whenever, whether it's solving problem, explaining concept, writing, or checking your answers. So also there is another feature which you can upload either document or images of what you want to give him. Like I can just come to where it says on this top left corner, down bottom left corner, and click on either if you want to snap it, you can click on camera. If you want to upload, you can click on photos or files. So I'm just going to click on photo and just pick what I want and send to him. Yes, so that is how to use ChatGPT as a beginner. So please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thank you, and thank you for staying and keep giving me your time to learn how to use this. See you on the next video. So guys, that is actually how to use ChatGPT in creating AI images, personal assistant, or communicating with the ChatGPT when you are less free on doing things. So since you already watched to this stage, please like me subscribe to the channel and like the video so you can see more of the video and YouTube can push the video to more people who may need this video. So thank you guys for sticking to the end. See you on my next video.